Limiting beliefs. Are they holding you back? Hi, I'm Kavita Dhillon. Thank you once again for tuning in. What is the difference between people who achieve major success and those who do not? It is their limiting beliefs or limiting thinking. Beliefs are the ideas that we believe to be true about ourselves and the world and are always running automatically somewhere in the background. Beliefs can be extremely useful in case they help us to achieve our goals, desires, and fulfills our destiny. On the other hand, they can be extremely limiting in case they create imaginary ceilings, boxes, or natural limitations around us, above us, or on us. The beliefs that we hold in our minds are extremely powerful drivers that either empowers us or limits us. But the crazy thing about these beliefs is that the things that we believe in are not even ours. We have either inherited them from our parents and ancestors or acquired them from the environment, from the people and the things that surround us. Or we have been programmed after watching television and media. Now the question is not whether the beliefs that we hold are true or not. The question is, if the things that I believe in are true, are demonstrably not true, then why do I even hold on to them? When we practice limiting thinking, we paralyze ourselves at the start line. We are so engrossed and distracted in making excuses and convincing ourselves that we can't do something that we don't even give ourselves an opportunity to try it. This kind of a thinking is the biggest hindrance in achieving our goals. Limiting beliefs will remain in our system within our internal world, shaping our responses to the external world and the opportunities around us. Our language provides an insight into our belief system. If there is a limiting belief in our system, there will be a cause and effect statement operating within our language. Let's take an example. Because I didn't get a good education, I will not be able to get a career of my choice. Because I have been betrayed once, I will not be able to trust anyone. Because one of my parents left when I was young, I think I'm not good enough for people to stay with me. Regardless of the content of the belief, the limiting belief is the cause and effect that stops us from getting something that we want or need. It is like a life sentence that unconsciously rules our life. My clients often ask me, is it possible to change your belief system? Is it possible to overcome your limiting beliefs? Yes, it is possible. Now, I will be sharing a simple 4-step process that will help you to overcome your limiting beliefs. The first step is to write down all your limiting beliefs. Play a detective. Follow your thoughts and emotions and discover all your limiting beliefs that are holding you back. Write them down on a piece of paper and stare them in the face. You will realize how strong these beliefs are and the kind of emotions they elicit in you. The second step is to acknowledge that these are beliefs and not truth. In fact, this is the hardest step. You might come up by saying, but these limitations are true. Here comes the role of choice. You need to make a choice whether you want to keep these limitations on to death or you want to achieve your goals and desires. Author Evelyn Waugh wrote, if you argue for your limitations, you get to keep them. You choose. Coming to the third step. Now, since we have weakened the old belief, we need to replace it with something more useful. But before doing that, we need to make sure that it is useful and fits in with who we are. Also, we need to believe in that with absolute certainty. The trick is to go beyond words and step into the new belief and see how it feels. Now, coming to the fourth step, taking a different action. You might find it a bit scary, but you need to act as if your new belief is true. In other words, suppose you're really capable and have learned a lot from your past financial mistakes. What are the steps that you're going to take? If you really eat healthy food, what are the things that you're going to put in your grocery cart? If you avoid taking actions based on your new beliefs, you're only feeding your old limiting beliefs. Any actions, even smaller steps, headed in the right direction will solidify your new unlimiting decisions. The steps don't have to be perfect, just headed in the right direction. And don't forget to acknowledge yourself when you take these steps. Whenever a limiting belief comes up in your life and you want to grow and keep moving forward, use these simple 4 steps to eliminate the limiting belief and replace it with more empowering belief. Go after these limiting beliefs with vengeance and get them out of your life so that you can lead a more prosperous life, whatever that means to you. Wishing you all the best. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much.